Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Everyday Sentences. My name is Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you are here today.
In this episode, we will practice simple English sentences that you can use every day.
Yes, these are sentences for real life. You can use them at home, at school, at work, or with friends.
We will use a simple method. Listen, discuss, listen again.
So first, just listen carefully. Then we talk about the sentence, then we say it again together.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's start learning English together.
Topic 1. Morning routine. First sentence. Just listen. I wake up early.
Let's discuss it. I wake up early means you get out of bed early in the morning.
For example, I wake up early for work.
Or, I wake up early to study English.
Great. Now listen again. I wake up early.
Can you say it with us?
I wake up early.
Good job. That was easy.
Topic 2. Breakfast.
Listen to this sentence. I eat a quick breakfast.
Let's talk about it. Quick breakfast means a fast and simple breakfast.
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Another example, I eat bread and tea for breakfast.
Nice and simple.
Now listen again. I eat a quick breakfast.
Say it with us.
Both. I eat a quick breakfast.
Great, you're doing very well.
Topic 3. Going outside.
Listen carefully.
I leave the house at 8.
This sentence talks about time.
For example, I leave the house at 8 for work.
Or, I leave the house at 7 for school.
Now listen again. I leave the house at 8.
Say it with us.
Both. I leave the house at 8.
Excellent.
Topic 4. Talking with friends.
Now listen to this sentence. I talk with my friends every day.
This is a very useful sentence.
Example, I talk with my friends at school.
Another example, I talk with my friends online.
Okay, listen again. I talk with my friends every day.
Repeat with us. Both. I talk with my friends every day.
Nice, you're improving already.
Topic 5. After work.
Let's try another sentence.
I relax after work.
This means you rest after your job or school.
For example, I watch TV and relax after work.
Or you can listen to music and relax.
Now listen again. I relax after work.
Say it together.
Both. I relax after work.
Great job!
Topic 6. Evening routine.
Listen carefully. I cook dinner at home.
This means you make food at home.
Example, I cook rice and vegetables.
Another example, I cook dinner with my family.
Now listen again. I cook dinner at home.
Repeat with us. Both. I cook dinner at home. Perfect. Topic 7. Night routine. Listen to this sentence. I go to bed early.
This means you sleep early.
For example, I go to bed early because I am tired.
Or, I go to bed early before work.
Listen again. I go to bed early.
Say it with us.
Both. I go to bed early.
Amazing! You are learning fast.
Quick practice. Ronald, let's review the sentences.
Stephanie, listen and repeat.
I wake up early.
I eat a quick breakfast.
I leave the house at 8.
I talk with my friends every day.
I relax after work.
I cook dinner at home.
I go to bed early.
Excellent practice.
Topic 8. Drinking water.
Topic 8. Drinking water.
Listen carefully. I drink water every morning.
Let's talk about the sentence. Drink water means you drink water to stay healthy.
Example. I drink water after I wake up.
Another example. I drink a glass of water in the morning.
Now listen again. I drink water every morning.
Repeat with us.
I drink water every morning.
Very good. Simple and healthy.
Topic 9. Studying English.
Now listen to this sentence. I study English every day.
This is a great habit.
Example. I study English for 20 minutes.
Example. I study English with videos.
Okay, listen again. I study English every day.
Say it with us. I study English every day. Great job. Keep practicing. Topic 10. Asking a question.
Listen carefully.
Can you help me?
This is a very useful sentence. You can say it when you need help.
Example. Can you help me with this bag?
Example. Can you help me with English?
Now listen again. Can you help me?
Repeat with us.
Can you help me?
Excellent. Practice makes perfect.
Topic 11. Saying thank you.
Listen to this sentence. Thank you very much.
We say this when someone helps us.
Example. Thank you very much for your help.
Example. Thank you very much for the food.
Now listen again. Thank you very much.
Say it together. Thank you very much. Good manners are important. Topic 12. Talking about feelings.
Listen carefully.
I feel happy today.
This sentence talks about feelings. Example. I feel happy when I see my friends.
Example. I feel happy when I learn English.
Now listen again. I feel happy today.
Repeat with us. I feel happy today.
Nice. That sounds great.
Topic 13. Going to the market.
Listen carefully. I go to the market.
This sentence is about shopping.
Example. I go to the market to buy fruit.
Example. I go to the market with my family.
Now listen again. I go to the market.
Say it with us. I go to the market. Great. Topic 14. Talking about food.
Listen to this sentence. I like simple food.
This sentence talks about your taste.
Example. I like simple food like rice and vegetables.
Example. I like simple food for dinner.
Now listen again. I like simple food.
Repeat together. I like simple food. Very nice. Topic 15. Watching TV.
Listen carefully. I watch TV in the evening.
Many people do this after work.
Example. I watch TV with my family.
Example. I watch TV after dinner.
Now listen again. I watch TV in the evening.
Repeat with us. I watch TV in the evening. Good job. Topic 16. Listening to music.
Listen to this sentence. I listen to music.
Music helps us relax.
Example. I listen to music at night.
Example. I listen to music when I study.
Now listen again. I listen to music.
Say it together. I listen to music. Great work. Topic 17. Talking about family.
Listen carefully. I love my family.
This is a very meaningful sentence.
Example. I love my family very much.
Example. I spend time with my family.
Now listen again. I love my family.
Repeat with us. I love my family. Beautiful sentence. Quick practice.
Let's review today's sentences.
Listen and repeat.
I drink water every morning.
I study English every day.
Can you help me?
Thank you very much.
I feel happy today.
I go to the market.
I like simple food.
I watch TV in the evening.
I listen to music.
I love my family. Topic 18. Drinking tea.
Listen carefully.
I drink tea in the morning.
Let's talk about it. Many people drink tea to start the day.
Example. I drink tea with my breakfast.
Another example. I drink tea with my family.
Now listen again. I drink tea in the morning.
Repeat with us.
I drink tea in the morning.
Nice. Good speaking.
Topic 19. Going to work.
Listen to this sentence. I go to work by bus.
This sentence talks about transportation.
Example. I go to work by bus every day.
Another example. My friend goes to work by bike.
Now listen again. I go to work by bus.
Repeat with us. I go to work by bus. Excellent. Topic 20. Meeting friends.
Listen carefully.
I meet my friends on Sunday.
This sentence talks about spending time with friends. Example. I meet my friends at a cafe.
Another example. I meet my friends in the park.
Now listen again. I meet my friends on Sunday.
Repeat with us. I meet my friends on Sunday.
Great job.
Topic 21. Buying food.
Listen carefully. I buy fresh fruit.
Fresh fruit means fruit that is new and healthy.
Example. I buy fresh fruit at the market.
Another example. I buy apples and bananas.
Now listen again. I buy fresh fruit.
Repeat with us. I buy fresh fruit. Very good. Topic 22. Cleaning the house.
Listen carefully.
I clean my room.
This sentence is about housework. Example. I clean my room every Saturday.
Another example. I clean my room in the morning.
Now listen again. I clean my room.
Repeat with us. I clean my room.
Nice work.
Topic 23. Reading books.
Listen carefully. I read a book.
Reading is a great habit.
Example, I read a book before bed.
Another example. I read a book in the evening.
Now listen again. I read a book.
Repeat with us. I read a book. Excellent. Topic 24. Exercising.
Listen carefully.
I exercise every day.
Exercise keeps the body healthy. Example, I exercise in the morning.
Another example. I exercise for 30 minutes.
Now listen again. I exercise every day.
Repeat with us. I exercise every day.
Great.
Topic 25. Drinking coffee.
Listen carefully. I drink coffee at work.
Many people drink coffee during work.
Example, I drink coffee with my coworkers.
Another example. I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Now listen again. I drink coffee at work.
Repeat with us.
I drink coffee at work.
Good job. Topic 26. Talking on the phone.
Listen carefully.
I talk on the phone.
We use this sentence when we call someone. Example, I talk on the phone with my mother.
Another example. I talk on the phone with my friend.
Now listen again. I talk on the phone.
Repeat with us. I talk on the phone. Very good. Topic 27. Watching movies.
Listen carefully. I watch movies on the weekend.
This sentence talks about entertainment.
Example, I watch movies with my family.
Another example. I watch movies at night.
Now listen again. I watch movies on the weekend.
Repeat with us. I watch movies on the weekend. Excellent. Topic 28. Learning something new.
Listen carefully. I learn something new.
Learning new things is exciting.
Example, I learn something new every day.
Another example. I learn something new in English.
Now listen again. I learn something new.
Repeat with us. I learn something new.
Wonderful.
Quick practice.
Let's review today's sentences.
Listen and repeat.
I drink tea in the morning.
I go to work by bus.
I meet my friends on Sunday.
I buy fresh fruit.
I clean my room.
I read a book.
I exercise every day.
I drink coffee at work.
I talk on the phone.
I watch movies on the weekend.
I learn something new. Wrap up.
Wrap up. Today, we practiced many simple sentences for daily life.
We talked about waking up, breakfast, friends, work, and bedtime.
Remember our method. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Practice these sentences every day. Even 5 minutes helps a lot.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Yes, step by step, you will improve.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing English.